Also ask about our cryotherapy for humans.
They put you in this booth and they drop the temperature down to about 130 degrees, like minus 130 degrees. And then you go in there and it's cold as hell. It's only 3 minutes, and it goes by really quickly, and towards the end, you're just ready to like jump out of the booth.
Feel really good after.
Oh, I bet you feel really good after.
Should we give him the boost?
And I feel really good. The first thing I noticed right away was starving. Like I needed to eat now.
I don't want to feel any more. Okay, honey.
We did it.
You did it.
Oh my God.
I'm not a fan of the winter activities.
No, but it was
But you did it. You didn't make us
just
stop
so
it.
horny right now.
I feel like this really weird, peculiar sensation that's like really good energy, buoyancy, upliftment. I would do it again. It could be addictive.